Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I take care of my hair, and it's just 3 simple steps that involves oiling, washing your hair with any kind of shampoo and conditioner, and that's it. And you can take care of your hair. Now I know that my hair naturally is of smooth texture, and a lot of you guys face frizz or have curly hair or any different sort of hair. But I can assure you that if you take care of your hair with the basic 3 simple steps twice a week, at least you can have healthy hair. That's what I have experienced throughout these years. I have suffered from bad hair too, and ever since I started doing these 3 steps, my hair has become much better. So that's why I wanted to share it with people so that they know that it does not need all those hair masks and the expensive stuff. It's just any shampoo, any oil that you prefer, and conditioner. That's it. If you're interested to know what I do, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first step of this routine is oiling your hair. Now you can take any which oil that you prefer, but I prefer using a combination of oils as it provides more to the needs of your hair. Here I'm using castor oil along with olive oil. Olive oil is nourishing to my hair and castor oil promotes hair growth, and I'm just gently applying it to the roots. Most of the people tend to apply it to the hair length, but make sure you reach to the roots properly and then gently massage your hair using different motions. The first one I use is this, like just shaking your roots so that the natural oils just come out, and the next is just dragging my fingers throughout my hair, just like you stroke your hair. And the third one I do is making small circles in my scalp gently, and it is quite soothing. It gives you, really, if you're having a headache, you can just use this tip and gently massage your scalp nicely so that it is nourished well. Now the time amount of oiling depends on you. You can oil your hair and keep it overnight, or you can do it just 40 minutes before your shower. It all depends on you. I do it 40 minutes before my shower, and that's it. You just have to, for the length of the hair, I just use a little bit of oil that is remaining on my fingers, as well as a tiny bit, since my hair shafts are kind of dry due to the coloring. And just that's it. You don't have to make your hair very oily, just the roots that are the source of nutrients for the hair. And just tie your hair up and keep it overnight or just for some time, depending on your preference. And that's it. That's just step 1. Now some people might be against oiling and they prefer hair masks, their wish, but I just go for the traditional way of oiling my hair, and it has worked wonderfully for me for all these years. Okay, so the second step is washing your hair. Any kind of shampoo is fine. Just clean your hair thoroughly so that oil is no more there. The third step is conditioning your hair, and for that I use leave-in conditioners because they don't tend to cause hair fall to me. So just rub it between your palms and focus on your lengths this time, unlike the previous step where we focused on the roots, and to the tips. Apply it thoroughly, just gently, just apply it to your hair. And that's it. I hope this video was informative, and I hope it helps you guys. And you can support me by subscribing to this channel, and so that I can help you more with whatever I know in any way. Thank you. Bye.